What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. So let's take this video for example. Let's say we wanted to add it to a new playlist. Besides download, you have these three dots. You click on it, then you click on save, and then you click on create new playlist. You have to enter your playlist name, let's call it Mick. Then you have to decide whether your playlist should be public, unlisted, or private. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna set it to private. Then you click on create. And all of a sudden, this video, it's added to your playlist. It's pretty simple. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.